Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will study about subject science class 6th, chapter number 2, components of food. We know that we each we eat different dishes as our food, and this dish is made up of one or more ingredients. These ingredients we get from plants or animals. The ingredients in our daily food contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called as nutrients. And the major nutrients in our food are called as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. In this chapter we will discuss about these major nutrients, what are their sources, what's their role in our body. And in addition to these nutrients, our food also contains dietary fibers, which is also called as roughage, and water. So first we will discuss about the nutrient carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the nutrients which provide energy to our body. Fats also give energy to our body. In fact, sometimes fat nutrients, these give more energy as compared to the carbohydrates. Foods containing carbohydrates and fats are as such called as energy giving foods. So what are the sources of carbohydrates? What should we take if we require carbohydrates in our body? The sources of carbohydrates are pulses, grains, maize, potato, sweet potato is there, fruits are there. These contain sweet fruits, these contain carbohydrates. Sugar cane contains carbohydrates, rice contains carbohydrates. So if we require carbohydrates, we should take such foods. And you should also remember that these foods are called as energy giving foods. That's carbohydrates. Next type of carbohydrate is nutrients or proteins, which are needed by our body. These are needed for growth and repairment of our body. Foods containing proteins are often called as bodybuilding foods, as they are needed for the growth and repair of the body. Sources of the proteins are pulses, grains, milk, fish, eggs, meat, etc. These are the sources of the proteins. Regarding vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins also help in keeping our bones, eyes, teeth, and gums healthy. Vitamins are grouped in different groups. Vitamins are known by different types. Some of the vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. There is also another group of vitamins called as vitamin B complex. That includes vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, etc. And our body needs all these types of vitamins in small quantities. We will take examples of, for example, vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. It is responsible for keeping our eyesight healthy. Vitamin C helps our body to fight against many diseases. Similarly, vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Sources of vitamins are, for example, vitamin A is present in fruits, carrots, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, milk, fish oil, etc. Vitamin B is present in some cereals and grains. Vitamin C is present in citrus fruits, for example, tomato, lemon, chilies, orange, etc. So this was about the brief introduction about the vitamins. Our body also needs some minerals in small quantities, some minerals in small quantities for proper growth and maintenance of the good health. Growth and maintenance of the good health. Some sources or minerals are these green leafy vegetables, fish, milk, etc. Banana is also rich in some minerals. Green leafy vegetables are there for as sources of minerals. Milk, eggs are also sources of minerals. Besides these nutrients, our body also needs dietary fibers and water. And these dietary fibers, as I already told you, it's also known as roughage. It does not provide energy to our body, but it helps our body to digest the food and adds to the bulk of the food. That helps our body to get rid of undigested food. This roughage, it's present in mainly plant sources: potatoes, fresh fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, etc. We should definitely add roughage to our body. Similarly, this water in our body helps to absorb nutrients from food. It also helps in throwing out some wastes from our body as urine and sweat. Normally, we get water from our body needs that our body needs from the liquids we drink, for example, water, milk, tea, etc. In addition, water is also used to cook food, and also if we eat some fruits, vegetables, etc., that also contains this water. So this was about some of the nutrients components of the food which we should include in our diet, which must be present in our body to keep our body in proper growth and to keep our body in to maintain good health. And in this next video we will discuss about the balanced diet and some deficiency diseases. Till then, take care.